Hey guys, I have a question. Have you ever heard about the golden rule, do unto others as you would have done unto you? Well, I'm here to tell you that sometimes in parenting, the golden rule doesn't always apply. So let me tell you this little story. So one time I was working with a child and they were so excited that on their day off, it lined up with a train exhibit at their local library. They loved trains. Well, their parents wanted to spend the day off. It was a beautiful day, and they had decided they were going to take them to the zoo. And they had planned this, they had gotten the tickets, they had gotten parking. For this family, this was a pretty big expense to take the entire family to the zoo. The parents had really sacrificed to make this possible for the child. And when they got there, the child had a complete and utter mental. They did not want to be at the zoo. They had no interest in animals. The animals scared them. It was a long drive. Well, that child was absolutely miserable. The last place that that kid wanted to be was at the zoo. All they wanted to do was go to their local library and look at the trains that were on exhibit. Here's the thing. Sometimes as parents, you want to create these amazing experiences for your child, and you look back at the things that were important to you as you were a child. You think about the memories that you had that you really enjoyed, and you want to recreate them for a child. But sometimes parents have the best intentions, but what they wind up doing is they want to recreate their memories by doing what's important to them, without taking into consideration that what's important to them may not actually be what's important to their child. So you might go through all this trouble and you might do all these things to take your child to the zoo and make all these sacrifices when really all they wanted was to go to the library and look at the trains. And when you have a child with autism, sometimes it's compounded and it's different. You want your child to have this amazing, happy childhood, and sometimes you want them to conform and to like the things other kids like or enjoy the things that you enjoy, and you think that's the way to make them happy. For me, I do believe, Steve Jobs said the meaning of life is to be happy. Excuse me, John Lennon said the meaning of life is to be happy, right? That's the goal for every parent, is to make your child happy. And sometimes that starts with recognizing what's important to them and giving them those experiences and those memories, and not trying to change them to be someone that they're not. So I really hope that you found this valuable. My name is Jessica Leichtweisz. I'm the CEO of Hope Education Services. I help families with autism. I put out free content almost every day. If you want to check out my YouTube channel, you can do so. It's getautismanswers.com. And if you have questions, you can type them in right to the comments of this video, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Have an amazing day, and I look forward to connecting there.